Hello everybody, I'm going to be cooking lentils with chorizo and cumin, a Latin American recipe. I'm Rosalia. Welcome to the Detalles. To start with, I have about a pound of dry lentils that have been washed. You don't need to soak the lentils, but if you do, you will reduce the cooking time in half. Now that we have that, I have here 8 cups, and there are 4 cups of chicken broth and 4 cups of water. Then I'm gonna get 4 chicken bouillons here, and I'm just gonna put here them with the lentils. And I have 3 leaves of bay leaves. I'm gonna put there, and then I'm gonna cover that, and it's going to cook for about half an hour, maybe 20 minutes, depending on your cook stuff, and all until they get tender. So we're gonna leave that over there, and I'm gonna start doing what we call kind of a sofrito with sauteing vegetables. So I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, any kind. And the recipe that I'm giving you is a recipe that I got from my mom, and it's been passed down from generations to generations. So I hope you will enjoy it. I have here half an onion. So now that my onions are chopped, I'm gonna get it on the skillet. Now I'm gonna do half a bell pepper, a green bell pepper. Now that I have the bell pepper there, I'm going to use 2 sprigs of green onions. I'm just gonna get the ends out and the top. I like to use the white part and the green, and you usually try to take the membrane off. I'll get this here. Now I'm going to be using chorizo. If you don't know what chorizo is, it's an Spanish style sausage that has been seasoned with paprika. This is about 8 ounces, but I'm gonna use about 4 ounces. I'm gonna split it in half, and that you can see all the seasonings. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna make cubes out of this. If you don't have chorizo, you can substitute with smoked pork chops, and you will dice them or cut them. And you can also omit the chorizo if you are on a diet that doesn't allow you to eat any protein. Lentils are really easy to cook. They're really healthy. They have a lot of protein, and they have carbohydrates also. Now we're gonna be doing the potatoes. Oops. And I'm gonna get them in cubes too. The cubes are less of an inch, so this one. We're gonna have garlic powder. I'm going to get the cumin, and then Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna be doing the tomatoes. I'm gonna have a bunch of cilantro. So now that all these vegetables are tender and the onions have become crystalline, I'm gonna turn this off and wait until the lentils are tender. If the lentils are a little bit dry, just add about a cup of water more. And then now that my lentils are soft, and I'm going to add this mixture, and I'm going to be leaving this for about 10 more minutes until the potatoes cooked. You can serve the lentils with plantain chips or toasted bread. And if you like lime, you can try that too. Buen provecho. We have learned about chorizo, we have learned about cumin, and we have learned how to cook lentils Venezuelan style. If you want to get the whole recipe, go to my blog, thedetalles.com. Until next time, thanks for watching.